Add Inbox Me and it's free. Hi, I'm Samantha Cunningham Zawilinski, and this week on Hard Facts, we're talking about a new tool you can use to stay up to date on what your competitors are running for their ads. So in past episodes of Hard Facts, we've talked about how you can take a peek or spy out what your competitors are running across different advertising networks, what their ads look like, and what their messaging is. But how would you like to be notified every time a competitor posts a new Facebook ad? If so, I've got the tool for you. So Add Inbox Me is the tool for you. What it's going to do is you're going to be able to fill out all the information in this screenshot to find out and be notified as soon as your competitor launches a brand new Facebook ad. Every single time they've got a new Facebook ad that goes out, you get a ping, and it's free. So there's no additional cost to pay attention or be notified to what they're doing. But let me tell you, before you get and type in every single competitor under the sun, do not get in this vortex. It is so easy to get distracted and think that this is going to be the secret sauce you need to stay up to date and ahead of your competitors. Now, while it is a great tool to utilize, do not get sucked into that vortex of the comparison game. Instead, take a look at what they're running, maybe some of their call to actions and their USP in the creative. But again, think about how you can one-up them instead of compete against them. And you know what? While we're at it, why not talk about the other platforms out there? You can actually take a peek at what your competitors are running on LinkedIn and Twitter as well. We've actually covered this in past episodes of Hard Facts, specifically for Facebook and for LinkedIn. But you're going to have to do these two platforms manually, so they will take a little bit of work to find out what your competitors are running. On LinkedIn, take a look at the description below where you'll be able to find the reference video for that. For Twitter, it's going to be super simple. All you have to do is go ahead and find your competitor's Twitter handle, go over to their page, and take a look at their ads transparency section. In this section, you're going to see the ads that they've been running for the last 7 days. And in a nutshell, that's how you can see the ads that your competitors are running across multiple social platforms. It's pretty straightforward, but don't get sucked into the comparison vortex. Instead, take a peek, move on, and strategize for your business. That's it. That's this week's episode of Hard Facts. If you had a question, comment, concern, or would like to suggest a topic for an upcoming episode, comment below, shoot me an email or DM. I'd love to hear from you.